Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind for Crypto. Today we have Luna Daily Update. It is a very important update. Is it all over for Luna? Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Why you should join? Because we have a unique manual system with over 90% win ratio and personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see Luna. So, Luna against USDT. Is this the moment where we are going to have more of a massive correction, just like we had back on 27 December? Are we going to get down all the way like 56 to 60%? Let's see. I'm not so optimistic about the recent price action of Luna, and I'm not so optimistic about the next days. I will explain why thoroughly with rational methods and of course not FOMO. Okay, of course this project is good. Of course I believe in fundamentals of Luna, but this has nothing to do with what the price will be doing into the next days. Nothing, trust me, can go up forever. You need to have the corrections. It is a very healthy to have corrections going on and the market needs to recover. Okay, so for now, what I'm going to say is not that I do not like Luna, and why I'm going to say that it is going to correct into the next days is because I'm seeing the charts only. Okay, so right here, what do we have? If we are on the weekly frame, we have a huge bearish RSI divergence starting from 20 December going all the way up to 28 March, and you can see the higher high and at the same time the lower high in the RSI. What is next and what do we have next? The next thing is we have a bearish engulfing candlestick. Sorry for that, I wanted to just zoom in. So, bearish engulfing candlestick, this candlestick covering the whole previous green one. Okay, so yes, it is something bearish. We are seeing it on the weekly frame, and this will mean that on the next weeks, this is not good for Luna. Okay, so we are probably going to correct even more. If we go back on the Fisher transform, you can see the lower high pattern and the higher high on the price, and therefore we should be as well careful with this. The MACD on the weekly frame right now especially had a lower high pattern as well, while at the same time we had a higher high. Everything is looking like Luna is going to have a massive correction into the next few weeks. Now that we achieved the 117 USDT, we reached almost the 120 USDT. Let's go to Luna against Bitcoin chart. What I'm having right now is the short term. I'm looking more of a short term. I actually drew the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom on 27 March up to the top on 6 April. What I think about Luna against Bitcoin chart is that we are having a double top and we are going to lose this neckline, which is this bottom right here. Okay, so after we lose it, we are going to 0.20s 18, 18.1, 0.20s 17.274. This is the most probable scenario for Luna, and eventually we are going to correct. Other people think that this is a rectangle pattern. We hold this line right here. This is a rectangle continuation pattern that Luna is going to have, and eventually we are going to break upwards. But I have to disagree on that. I think that probably Luna will be going way down, losing even the support level of the 0.020s 20 around there. Okay, so be careful please. This is just my personal humble opinion, not a financial advice. As for the short term, Luna against Bitcoin chart might be having a pump right here. We are going to see about that, but it is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin will be going higher, so it will push the price of Luna against USDT higher. Let's go to Luna against USDT, and right now we should be going back onto the 4-hour frame. What I was talking about is this one right here. We might be having a bullish RSI divergence from the short term, and into the next hours to the next 1 to 2 days, we might be getting a little bit higher, but this won't be the case over the next days and the next weeks, okay? Because to me personally, Luna could go over down from the 70 USDT as well. Let's draw a fib from the bottom to the top. Right here we have the 83, which is a very strong support level, but we will eventually fall down to the 75 and maybe to the 63 USDT. I do not have anything with Luna. I trust this project, but I have to inform you that we are holding a crazy amount of risk, and for the next weeks you shouldn't be going in for the midterm. Okay, instead you should be waiting, or if you want to take any short positions, this would be good. On the other hand, on the short term, we have bullish RSI divergences. Bitcoin is about to get higher, so that's why I believe maybe Luna will follow. Maybe we go up to the 97 or 92 to 93. Okay, we could stop at 100 USDT, but this will be it. We are not going to have a massive pump that will lead above the 120 USDT for Luna. And this is the reason why you should be careful. Okay, and of course we have continuous bearish RSI divergence on the daily and on the weekly frame. You can see a huge bearish starting from 28 February going all the way to 2nd April. Okay, so right here, this is why we should be careful. I know that the stochastic RSI is in an oversold, but right now we do not care about the stochastic RSI. I think that Luna is going to see correction just like we had back on 26 December, 27, maybe even more. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/mindyourcrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.